having confidence in the systems. Like the last year, I guess this goes for a lot of trend following momentum traders. The return is not positive. Like for 1.5 years, I'm in a drawdown, and that takes a lot of confidence, emotional pain, especially when this is your main income, and trading is my main income. I have some other incomes, but not generating consistent profits in the last, let's say, 14 to 16 months had a huge impact on my confidence, like personality wise. And realizing this, and I say, okay, Achim, take a step back. What can you do now? Okay, you can add different strategies like seasonal strategies, and this makes your overall portfolio much more consistent. And then just remembering, okay, the time is not the best time for trend following momentum strategies, and this is part of the game. And so if you want to stay long term, yeah, I need to get more different strategies. I also have to consider maybe taking a job on top to not drain my trading capital. And these are like a lot of lessons or thoughts I kept the last 8 months, because it's not only taking a job, it's like also impacting my whole lifestyle. Like I want to get up early in the morning and do my 2 hour yoga session. Like this is very important for me. And so if I take a job, a part-time job, like, and I say, look, guys, I can work from 10 to 15 maybe. Yeah, it's like you don't get many results back. So yeah, so it's good to have confidence and also maybe diversify your incomes. Let's say instead of just trade, also it's good to start sharing your knowledge, because you accumulate a lot of knowledge when you trade over 8 years. And there's a lot of theoretical knowledge, but there's also some like experience which you cannot read. And sharing this experience with other people is also very satisfying. And you get different incomes, so you're more resistant against the market fluctuation, which is also good. And yeah, these are like learnings I had.